Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not from KingMixUp, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my peeps. Man, there is a talent a walk one for not to go on, you see me? So let's just kick it off with dancehall artists, Mr. Vegas and Attleball. It seems to be a little bit of discrepancies about some royalties pertaining to the title work at work. You see me, I say, it was brought to my attention the other day on my other social media platform. I was tagged into a post with a screenshot of a WhatsApp message that Attleball was asking Mr. Vegas, what's up? You know what I mean? It's been more than a decade that I don't, get any royalties on at work, and, him need to fix that. So, me do the necessary checks. Check ASCAP, and didn't see that Attleball name was listed as performer, writer, or anything. This must I seen that Idonia look like him do one song with Mr. Vegas, with artwork as well. I didn't contact Mr. Vegas to see his side of the story. I'm not accusing him of anything, just stating the facts before us. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. He just received the distinction award from Jamaica and all of this stuff. So I'm just waiting to see, Attleball, delete that post there for no say things is being worked out. Just imagine. Or even here, Mr. Vegas side of the story to see if, money was exchanged, for the verses or whatnot. But when I made the post on my social media platform, this person left a comment said, "These are the things that reach many artists. Back in those days, many didn't study the business. They just run with the hype, collect a small change, and then a few years later, the song exploded. And boom, now they want money. It's sad, but it's a part of the business." You see me, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Speaking about business, it's not a good look for dancehall artist Elephant Man, because the man is coming for your money, We're talking about the cameraman, you see me, I say, and them little half apology that you give out is not enough. You see me, I say, and the cameraman has broken silence on the matter. So let's take a quick listening to Wagwan, and then I'll give you my perspective on it. You see me?
A video that said that I was given an apology on stage. That's not an apology in my book, And it was also said that it was off stage. It happened that people see in that video. I've never had a face-to-face with anyone from the gentleman's management team.
And so, what's next?
The situation right now, I can't really speak too much about it, as my legal team will be making an official statement regarding it.
In a letter issued on Tuesday by law firm Knight, Jr. and Samuels on behalf of Dario Shields, the firm described the incident as wholly unacceptable.
Okay, people, this is the statement that the lawyer put out pertaining to their client and, the altercation with Elephant Man. I'm not going to read it and go and press pause for myself, but yes, Elephant Man have to go pay a lot of fine plus some. You see, I say, he was in the wrong. This thing wasn't planned. And, like I said, the cameraman, them cameras worth like 3,000 US. You see, I say, so Elephant Man have to come out at least 2 million Jamaican the most. You see, I say, because the thing they get on TV and people are laughing at him, I say, himself and all them things there. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Dream Weekend can get sued as well. You see, I say, if you're not sure about your position, because you said this was a part of the thing for go viral and get fling off a stage and all them good stuff there. But yeah, you see, I say, times have changed, my people. You see, I say, people are looking for a come up. You know what I mean? But anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, it look like, say, CJ Milan have to come up with another excuse to get out of this deal that she has with Masicka, because no ticket now sell. No ticket is not selling run at Barclays Center, just like no ticket did I sell for Alkaline Show or whatever arena him did I do with CJ next, You see me saying I clocked it the other day from we can see what them sell versus what them didn't on the day in question, August 15th or whatever. You see me saying he can say everything is still available. You know what I mean? It's not a good look, because I don't think she can come out of this one meaning tell, the arena, say, be ready for me and all of this stuff again, because it look like say, she rescheduled with the arena, but she never rebook alkaline. You see me, I say, should I try with Masicka, but it look like, say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. She a go lose again, you see me? Because you know, alkaline only sell 13,669 tickets. Cartel sell over 30,000 tickets, you see me, I say. Wow, and Masicka looking to sell like 300. You see me, I say. But when I say giving them a quick update, what I go on for to go on, you see me, I say, do the right thing and subscribe to the King and check out these next suggested videos when you see on the screen. Know what I mean? Bless.